Okay, sharing. 等他们进来了。Zero.
I share the Facebook page to the students.
Oh, okay.
Got people coming in already.
Okay, Facebook. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay. 要重新讲多一次吗？Hello. Good evening, everybody. 还没睡觉 Ready for night class, huh? Trigonometry. Okay. Should I restart? Or it will be recorded, right? Okay. So I will restart this thing. And those who are late, you can watch again. When you watch 2 times the speed, then you will be able to catch up, 对不对？ Okay, those who are using YouTube 啦。Okay, so I will try to explain this again. This is 2 marks question, and they asked us to prove this equals to this. All right. So cosecant square x minus 2 cos square x minus cotangent square x. At the end, I want to get negative cos 2x. Okay, so what is the bridge? What information we need to know? The basic thing is to relate this. Okay, we list down the formula that we have. 1 plus cotangent square theta equals to 1 plus secant square is cosecant. 1 plus cotangent is 1 plus tan. What's the formula? 1 plus cotangent equals to 1 plus cosecant square theta equals to cotangent. Okay. 1 plus tangent square is secant square. Okay. 1 plus cotangent is cosecant. 1 plus cotangent feel sleepy already. So formula also a little bit weak already. Okay. 1 plus cosecant. 1 plus cotangent. What lah? Formula also forgot already. One plus tangent square is secant square. 1 plus cotangent square is cosecant square. Okay. So cosecant equals to 1 plus cotangent square x minus 2 cos square x minus cotangent square x. So that's the formula I know. Okay. So that is the first step. Do I want to replace the cotangent again? No lah. Okay, why? Because I can see that cotangent minus cotangent I can cancel off already. So I am one step closer to the answer. So let's look at the answer. So what are the steps that you need? Cos 2x is cos minus sin. Not related here. Oh, there's another formula. 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, it seems clearer, but the only difference is one is in front, one is behind. So I will pull the negative out, then I'll get 2 cos square x. And this is minus 1. There you go, negative. And here is the answer. Finish. 2 marks. Done. Okay, is everyone here already? Okay, I think everyone is back. Okay, recharge back your power already. Okay, the second question is B1, sketching graph. Okay, so here is 6 marks questions. Sketch the graph y equals to this. I will start with this. Y equals to cos x. The graph is like this. That's the basic thing I know. So this is 2 pi. And I also know from here, I will be able to draw this. 2x means 2 cycle. In 2 pi, you will be able to draw 2 cycle. That means 1 cos and another cos, 2 cycle like that. Okay. And it is a negative. It's a negative. So the next thing I will draw is y equals to negative cos 2x. Okay. For your info, I'm drawing this part already now. Okay, negative. So that means I will flip it. The positive become negative. So it will be like this. And it will be like this. And this is 2 pi, 2 cycle. And I will draw the next one. Okay, include the half. That means plus half. Plus half. Okay, this is 1. This is negative 1. Plus half means everything move up by half. Plus half. And then it will be 0.5. 0.5 is the center. 1 is the top. Let's move it up. 1 cycle and 2 cycle. Done. Finish. Okay. Let's check again. Yes. Okay. Not 1.5. This is 1.5. This is negative 0.5, like that. Okay. So remember, we can't. It's impossible to memorize all type of graph, but we can memorize y equals to cos x, and slowly we morph into the question that we want. Okay. Okay, then let's continue. Seterusnya dengan menggunakan paksi yang sama. What is this? Okay. This one equals to this. It must be related to the top one. Let's try 2. This thing looks very familiar. Where have I seen this before? I think it's here. 2 times negative cos 2x okay, equals to negative x over pi plus 1. Then what it has to do with this information is negative 2 cos 2x negative x over pi plus 1. I want to solve this equation, but I need to link it with this one. Okay, half minus, here I have negative 2. Okay, I have negative 2, but here don't have. Okay, here don't have. Here got negative half only. So what to do? I need to divide by 2. So I get negative cos 2x divide by 2. Negative x over 2 pi divide by 2 is half. Mhm. Is it correct? Cosecant is this. Mhm. But this is half. Okay. So let me see how to relate this one. I have this one already. Now I have this one already. Negative this. Yeah, I have this already. I still need another half. Another half. So can I plus a half in front plus half? Then this one also plus half. That means become 1 more. So yeah, finally I managed to have this, which is exactly same as this. Then what I need to do is plot a straight line to represent this. So I have y equals to half minus cos 2x over here, equation 1, and I have y equals to negative x over 2 pi plus 1, equation 2. Let's zoom in here. Okay, so I'm going to plot this. Okay, since I already got this. All right, so how to plot? Linear programming, that time you learned already lah, plus 1. That means it will be here. When x equals to 2 pi, you get y equals to what? Okay, process your brain. It's 0. Yeah, it's 0. Then I will connect this line here. All right, so let's zoom out now. The question never asks for the solution. They just ask for the number. Find the number of solution, bilangan penyelesaian. That means we need to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 penyelesaian. 4 penyelesaian. Okay, so that's it. 6 marks. Done. Okay, difficult, yes. It's difficult. Anybody want me to explain any part? Please ask. No need to repeat. Wow, very good pages. Wow, very confident. Okay, good. Okay, let's continue with the next question. So I prepared 10 different type of questions for you. For sure, it will come out. Okay, one of it. All right. Okay. I give you 10 sure kena one. Okay. Okay, here. Buktikan again. Maybe you want to try. Maybe you already tried. Maybe you already got the answer. Buktikan bahawa tangent cos minus this equals to cos 2x. Okay. Looks familiar, mah? Tangent square x plus 2 cos square x minus secant square x equals to cos 2x. This is what I want to prove. Again, before I do, I will list down the formula at somewhere, okay, which I will erase later. Okay, let's put it 1 plus tangent square is secant square. And then here, what else? I have cos 2x. Cos 2x. You have three formula here. Cos 2x is cos minus sin, or it could be 2 cos square x minus 1, or it could be 1 minus 2 sine square x. So which one should I use later? Only we decide. Okay, but here tangent, for sure I don't want tangent, or I don't want secant. Which one I don't want? Okay, so I simply choose one. Tangent square, I will write secant square x minus 1, and then 2 cos square x minus secant square x. Now, you will notice that this one, again, you can cancel negative 1 plus 2 cos square x. And now the speed becomes faster already, right or not? Okay, and it is negative. No, we don't need this. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, and straight away we get the answer. Yeah. All right. So the next part, lakakan graph. Again, we do the same thing again. All right. So if you want to try, similar question. Okay. The first step is y equals to cos x. And then I will draw cos 2x, which is here. 1, 2. Okay, 2 cycle until 2 pi. Be careful, they ask for 2 pi, not pi. And then I will times 3. When I times 3, that means this one is 3 and it is negative 3. So I skip one step. And then after that, I need to minus 1. Then I have the complete graph. Minus 1 means the whole thing moved down by 1. Okay, so from 3 move down to 2. 1, 2. From 1 to 3, negative 3 move down to negative 4. And the will be here. One cycle, 2 cycle. This is 2 pi. Done. Yeah, it is a little bit faster than just now, right or not? Hence, using the same axis, sketch a suitable straight line to find the number of solution. Again, you will notice this thing looks very familiar, which is exactly like this. Is it the same questions? No, it's not the same questions. So again, I have this. Yeah, I minus 1. No? So 3 cos 2x minus 1, x over pi, minus 2, minus 1, press calculator, you get x minus 3. So this one I have y. Okay, this one I already have here. Right. And now I am going to get this one. Wait, come on, I cannot. This one. Okay, so how am I going to draw y equals to x over pi minus 3? Okay, so negative 3 here. When x equals to 2 pi, y equals to 2 minus 3, negative 1. So it will be -1 here. So let's connect. And how many solutions? Again, is 4 solutions. Okay, 4 solutions. Like this. Again, full marks. Berapa? 7 mark. Okay, 2 questions. Yep. Everyone, now you feel better with this kind of questions? 2 questions already you practice. Do you manage to get this one? Okay, if not, let's try one more. Okay. This is Penang, paper 2. Okay. Question number 3. SC tunjukkan. Tunjukkan tangent X. Tangent X equals to 3 marks for this one. Oh. Tangent theta? Oh no lah, tangent X. I think the question is wrong. Never mind, forgive. We understand. Okay. Tangent X, can I start from the simple one and expand until I get the more complicated one? Usually, okay, I'm sure your school teacher will say, okay, we start from the difficult one and then end up with the easy one. Okay, let's try to challenge this concept. Okay. Tangent X, look at here, this is the starting point, and at the end, I have tangent X on top. That means times 1, this thing should be 1, not A. Why like that one? Tangent X. Oh no, the question is not, okay, I did not see this one. Che. Okay, the question is this one. No, the question is not wrong. The question is right. Tangent X is 2 tangent theta. Okay, so it's not proving questions. This one is identity leh. Okay, let's erase this mistake. Okay, don't want to see the mistake. Okay. So from here we know that X plus 2 theta, it must be 180. Okay, you can write 180 or you can write pi. It's still okay. X equals to 180 minus 2 theta. Tangent X, keep looking at this one. This is what you want to get. Equals to tangent 180 minus 2 theta. Okay. Do you remember the formula? Oh my god. Tangent A minus B is tangent, okay, A minus tangent B over 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Can you check for me, is the formula correct? If wrong, please let me know. Because after 10 o'clock, my brain don't really work well. Okay. Tangent 2 theta 1 plus tangent 180 tangent 2 theta. Okay, so tangent 180 is 0. negative tangent 2 theta over tangent 180 is 0, so it will be negative over 1. So negative tangent 2 theta, but I want to get this one, or formula again. Tangent 2 theta is 2 tangent theta, double angle, or you can call it tangent A plus tangent A lah. Okay, all right, then after that is 1 minus tangent square theta. So the negative multiply in to the bottom, not to the top, is negative 1, put at the back, and negative negative positive tangent square theta. That's it. 3 marks. Please have a look. What is important? Can you get this one? The total is 180. Usually we can. Okay, usually we can. So make x to become the subject. All right, so I want to get tangent x. Okay, so tangent left must be tangent right. Expand this one. Okay, tangent 80, 180, you will get 0, and then the whole thing becomes 0. So you have simplified it into this one. Tangent 2 theta, double angle, tangent 2 tangent theta over minus this one. Okay, so the negative, you multiply in, and you get the answer. While doing this one, always check on where you want to get, what you want to achieve. Okay, always when you do these steps, look at this one. Keep looking at this one. See whether you are approaching that one or not. All right. So 3 marks done. Any question? Pause a little bit. How many of you here? Oh, still not yet sleep. Oh, so many of you, huh? Still watching, huh? Okay, good. Usually, what time you asleep? Or you can watch again tomorrow if you are tired. Okay, the thing won't run away. Okay, you can watch the playback. But live, you can ask me questions to repeat. No, okay, good. Selesaikan this thing for all angles. Okay, now this one is different already. Whenever you see this, three cos 2y plus sine y minus 2 equals to 0. Okay. Cos 2y and sine y is totally not related. One is double angle, one is y. Okay, I need to expand this one so that I can get angle y. So cos 2y, remember just now you have 3 options. 3 options, which one will I choose? I will choose the one with sine. 1 minus 2 sine square y, if you still remember or you have already copied this one. Okay, now we have quadratic with sine y. Okay, so it is negative 6 sine 2y, sine square y, okay, plus sine y. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 1. All right, so I like to make it positive. And of course, you can press calculator. If I don't press that, then you factorize. Which one is positive? This one is positive. So sine y equals to negative 1 over 3, and sine y is positive half. From here, what must you do? Sine negative, you will get, first thing I need to know, sine negative is where? Over here. Okay, and what is the reference angle? Wait, the question asks in between 0 to 360. Okay, good. Not in radian. So shift I want to find the acute angle, the reference angle. Shift sine 1 over 3 is 19.47. 19.47. So the y will be 180 plus 19, 197.47 degree. And here is 360 minus 19 because this is 360. 340.53. Is it correct? Please check for me. This one, do the same thing again. Don't be lazy. Positive is over here. So I want to find sine what is half already. 60 degree. Is it 60 degree? Can you press calculator? No, sine 30. Sine 30 like that. Sine 30 like that. So y equals to 30 and 150. Okay, then you combine. Answer y equals to 30, 150, and 197.47, and then 340.53 degree. Okay, everyone? Managed to get the answer, Okay. Just to refresh your memory, right or not? You already know how to do, right? So just to refresh a little bit so that the next 2 days you can do it very smoothly, right? Yes, okay, good, everyone. Or if you want me to repeat, please ask. Part C, Part C. Sine theta equals to T. Let me put my questions. The question is 1 mark only. Okay. Sine. This question is 1 mark only. Sine theta equals to T. Express this in terms of T. Pi over 2 minus theta. 1 mark only. Why like that? 1 mark only. But my working is longer, bo. Okay, so let's try to draw a triangle. Okay. 90 degree. Okay, so why do I draw this one? Because this is theta, and then this is 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta is actually pi over 2 minus theta. Why I have the idea? Because I see this pi over 2 here. That's why I have this idea. Otherwise, I will be using the formula sine pi over 2 minus theta is sine cos, and then minus cos sine. Okay, so yeah, sine theta is T over 1. So it must be 1 minus T squared, like this. All right. So from here, I managed to create this triangle with the value inside. Then the question asks for sine pi over 2 minus theta. That would be 1 minus T squared over 1. Okay, so that is the shortest working. Otherwise, I will be using this formula, but it's only 1 mark. Sine 90 is what? Sine 90 is 1. Cos theta. Cos 90, cos 90 is 0. So it's cos theta. Cos theta equals to cos theta sine square. If it is 2, 3 marks, I will be using this working. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So I will say cos theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta and third. And I know sine theta is it the same answer? Yeah, same answer. Okay. So, but this one is 1 mark, very difficult to choose. Okay, difficult to find such a short working. I think this is the shortest, or this one a little bit longer. Again, you can choose 199.47. Is it a code? 199.47. Is it a previous question? Did I do a mistake? Did I do a mistake? 119. Oh, yeah. Okay, sorry. Because after 10 p.m. I want to sleep already. Okay, 199. So this is 199. Wow, peachy, very good. Okay, so all right, done this question. Any problem up to here? Oh, I attached the answer in the PDF, so you can actually look at the working. You can look at the working. If you try the question already, you check the answer, and if you cannot get the answer, you ask me. You look at the working over here. Okay, trigonometry paper 1 should be easier. Okay, should be easier. Let's look at this question, 5 marks questions. See whether it's really easier or not. Yeah, everybody say paper 1 is easy. Fx is this PQ maximum minimum. Shall we do dy dx? No, Find the value P and Q. Coordinate P and coordinate Q. Wow. Okay. This is for 0 to 180. Okay. So that means this must be the center line. This is sine. It must be 90 degrees here. 1 cycle. So for 360 degree, I expect to have 2 cycles. So it must be y equals to don't know what number times sine 2x plus another q. So what is the q here? You shift up by how much? Shift up by 4. So it must be plus 4. And then the p is the magnitude. Okay, so if you are confused, y equals to sine x. Y equals to 3 sine x. It will be 3 and negative 3, like this. Okay, so here the magnitude is 3. So P equals to 3. So here will be negative 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay, negative 3. So this one must be 45 degree. This one must be 135 degree. Okay. P equals to 3, Q equals to 4 from here. Coordinate P is 45 degree, maximum is 7, and then Q is 135 degree and 1. So 5 marks. 5 marks. Yeah, paper 1 is a little bit easier. Okay, a little bit easier. Yes. Okay. Anybody want me to repeat? No need? Or you want me to explain something else here? You can ask. Explain how to get the 3, how to get the 4. No? Okay, you can ask. Don't be shy. So let's move on to the next question. MRSM. Selesaikan persamaan ini. You have cos square 15 cos square x minus 4 cos pi over 3, 180 over 3, which is 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 0.5. This number is 0.5. You check and see with calculator. Times 4, that will be 2. Okay. Then I would arrange the quadratic. Okay. I will arrange the quadratic. Then I will factorize it. 15 is 5 times 3. And then this will be 2 and 1. Negative, positive. So cos x is 2 over 5. And then cos x equals to negative 1 over 3. Correct? Then again, okay, again, the cos positive, okay, if you can remember, all science teacher crazy, okay. Okay, cos positive is here. What's the acute angle? 2 over 5, shift cos 0.4, 66.42 degree. So x equals to 66.42, 360, 293.58. Okay. Then done. This one is negative. Negative is here. Shift cos. You use 1 over 3. You don't use the negative. To find the angle here, you use the positive 1 over 3. 70.53, 70.53. Otherwise, you don't get the answer. 180 minus 109.47, and then 180, 250.53. So here, the answer is x equals to, arrange nicely. Then I'll write this 109.47, and then 250.53, and another one is 293.58 degree. Yeah, 4 answer here. Okay, like that. 4 marks. Is it okay? Paige, check my answer. Is there any mistake? Please help me to check. So you have practiced 2 times already, the similar question. Okay, you should be able to do the questions. Okay, let's move on to the next question. MRSM paper 2. buktikan cos square. Okay, I give you 1 minute. You can try the question. Okay, it's 3 marks. The idea is this. Here I have 2 terms, and I'm going to combine them to become 1 term. Yeah, can be done. And then here I have cosecant 2x. Here I don't have. Cosecant is 2x. Is actually 1 over sine 2x. It's actually 1 over 2 sine x cos x. Okay. So let's get started. See how I can get from here to here, or here, or here. Okay, first I will combine them. Plus times sine, so sine square. Okay. What do I have here? I will have 1 over sine x. Oh, 1 over sine x. Because cos square plus sine square equals to 1. I simplify already the thing. Then I want to expand it back by multiplying 2 on top and 2 sine x at the bottom. What? Okay. And I want to multiply with a cos so that I can have a cos at the bottom. Okay. Then after that, I will get 2 cos x over sine 2x. And finally, my sine 2x is turned to cosecant 2x. Okay, so yeah, it's a bit weird. Okay, so but no, I shouldn't delete this one. So it's for you to refer. Okay, this part is for you to refer. So this is how we manage to get from the top to the bottom. Now you might say, should I start from the bottom to the top? You can do that. It will be the same. Okay, now always remember, we look at the final destination, and where you want to go, and you keep moving towards that direction. Okay, that will eventually you will get the answer. No matter how difficult the question, you will get the answer in 3 minutes. Okay, so sure can do one. All right, next, sketch the graph. Y equals to this. Okay, it's how many marks? I think this one is 1 mark only. Should be 1 mark only because it's quite easy. Okay. Sketch the graph B1. So before I start, I must do y equals to sine x. This is the graph. Until 2 pi. Is it until 2 pi? Yeah, it's until 2 pi. And then when I do modulus, modulus will make the negative value, the negative value over here, to become positive. Okay, so it will be like this. 2 pi, this is pi, and this is 1. Because this is 1, this is negative 1. Yeah, that's the answer. 1 mark. Part 2. Using the same axis, sketch a straight line, satisfy the equation this equals to k, where k is a constant that will produce 4 number of solutions. 4 number of solutions. How to get 4 number of solutions? Let me draw again. Y equals to sine x modulus. Okay. Please think, how am I going to get 4 solutions? This one, you have y equals to x, the first one. The second one, you have y equals to k. Okay, y equals to modulus and y equals to k. So which line should I draw so that I can get 4 number of solutions? If I put my line y equals to 2, I don't have any solution. If I put y equals to 0, I will have 1, 2, 3 solution. Where should I put that? Okay, I think I will put it here. Okay, let's see. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Then can I put it here? No, cannot see. So can I put it here? I will have 2 solutions. When I put y equals to 1, I have 2 solutions. So I shouldn't put here. So I should put the k, y equals to k. I can put y equals to 0.5. I can put y equals to 0.1. I can put 0.99, but I just cannot put y equals to 1. So conclusion is the k value must be more than 0 and less than 1. Okay, this is how we do the question. Right? 5 marks. Wow. Okay, let's continue with the next one. What question is this? Putrajaya. I choose Putrajaya. Selesaikan persamaan trigonometri ini. Okay, now why I choose this one? Because tangent and cotangent look like totally irrelevant, totally not related. So should I use this formula? Okay, I might be thinking 1 plus tangent square is secant square. 1 plus cotangent square is cosecant square. Or should I use tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta? And cotangent theta is the inverse, which is cos over sine theta. Okay, you see, in my head, all these formula come out when we do trigonometry. So which one should I use next? Okay, so any suggestion? Okay, I simply put 1. Okay, simply try 1. Don't think too much. Cotangent is cos over sine. Tangent is sine over cos. Okay, everything multiplied by sine theta cos theta. So I will have 6 cos square theta equals to 7 sine theta cos theta. If wrong, never mind, you try again. No? 1 over tangent. Yeah, Gretel, you are smart leh. Why you so smart? Show me your A plus. Okay. So 6 cos square theta minus 7 sine theta cos theta plus sine theta equals to 0. So factorize it. Should I use 6 cos theta and then minus sine theta minus sine theta? Yes, possible. So it's 3 marks. Expect to have 9 steps. 6 cos theta minus sine theta equals to 0. So 6 cos theta equals to sine theta. So sine theta over cos theta equals to 6. Tangent theta equals to 6. Then I should have 2 answers here. Tangent positive. Tangent positive is here. Shift tangent 6. That will be 8. Now this is the 3rd time you do this tonight. Okay. So, and the other one is cos theta equals to sine theta. Sine theta over cos theta equals to 1. Tangent theta equals to 1. Here and here, positive. So theta is 45 degree, 102 to 5. So you have 4 answers, right properly the answer. Okay, Rita said we used 6. Is it faster? Let's try and see. 6 over tangent theta equals to 7 minus tangent theta. Everything times tangent theta. Minus tangent square theta. So bring over tangent square theta minus 7 tangent theta plus 6 equals to 0. Tangent theta minus 1, tangent theta minus 6. So tangent theta equals to 1, tangent theta equals to, I think it's better. This one is better. Then I continue with this one. But the number of steps is lebih kurang lah, sama. Okay, good. So we can use either the red color or the blue color. B. So it's 2 marks. Okay, so again, we have how many ways to do this one? Usually you have more than one method one. Okay. So if like just now 1 mark, then I will be a bit difficult to choose which working to use. But if it is 2 marks, I am willing to like produce 6 steps. So cos theta equals to m. The question is cos 90 minus theta. It will be, expand it, cos plus sine. cos 90 is 0, sine 90 is 1. So the answer is sine theta. Sine theta is what? Okay, cos theta is m over 1. This is 1 minus m square. Third, sine theta is 1 minus m square. Like this. Okay. Yep. I'm willing to write 6 steps if it is two marks. Yeah. Or you can use the previous method that we used before, which is even faster, like this. Cos theta is m. Cos theta is m over 1. That is 1 minus m squared over here, using Pythagoras theorem, huh? And then the angle here, 90 degree, it must be 90 minus theta. Okay. Method number 2. So the question is, express cos this angle, 90 minus theta. So cos this angle is, excuse me, over 1. Over 1, no need to write. Okay. So it's 2 steps. 2 steps. Okay. Okay. If it is 1 mark, usually I will use this method. Okay, 2 marks, I will try to produce something more. But both methods can be used. Both can be used. Okay. So next, zoom out a little bit. Next question. Come. Paper 2 question. Buktikan identity again. Okay. Without looking at the answer, can you try? Or did you try just now? I think this is quite easy because we just need to expand. Okay, you just need to expand it. Then you should be able to get the answer. Sine, cos. Okay, I'm doing this one. This one. Plus cos sine. Okay, I'm doing this one. And then minus, okay, I'm doing this one. Minus sine cos. And then minus cos sine. So I will get sine x, this thing, and because of minus this thing, it will be gone, and then this thing minus negative this thing, it will be positive. So I should be getting 2 cos x sine pi over 6. Okay, now keep looking at the destination. So I want to get cos x. Am I getting 0.5 here and times 2? Then I can get 1. Is it true? Can you press calculator to confirm? Sine 30 degree is 0.5. 0.5 times 2 is, yeah. Okay, it's cos x. Okay. Now, if you're tired, you can sleep. Tomorrow, you can watch the playback. No problem. Okay. So B, y equals to this plus 2. Now, be careful. Here is pi. It's not 2 pi. Bilangan penyelesaian. Okay. So the same question again, and we don't memorize. Again, we don't memorize. We'll do this. Y equals to cos x. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 pi. And then y equals to cos 2x. It will be 2 pi also, but it will be double 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1 and negative 1. Done. 2 steps. Then I need to times 3. When I times 3, I will have this as 3 and negative 3. Yeah. And then when I plus 2, yeah, I need to draw lah. Plus 2, it will be go up to this. 3 plus 2 become 5. And negative 3 plus 2 become negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I draw one cycle only? Because I draw until pi. This is until pi. Be very careful with this. Then tentukan bilangan penyelesaian untuk ini. So I need to take care of this. What color? Okay. Green color lah. Okay. 3 pi cos 2x equals to 8x. What happened? What happened? Oops. Please give me 1 minute. Okay, it's back. Yep, it's back. All right. 2 pi cos 2x equals to, I am copying this one. This thing equals to 8x minus pi. Okay. Always remember we are trying to form this one. So I need to divide by pi, right? Divide by pi. So I get 3 cos 2x divided by pi divided by pi. Then after that, I need a plus 2. Plus 2 is negative 1 plus 2 is plus 1. Okay, so finally I got this, which is this. Then I want to make this one. Okay. So y equals to 8 over pi x plus 1. So when x equals to 0, I get positive 1. Here. When it is pi, it's when x equals to pi y equals to 9. That will be a bit difficult. Okay. Can I try half pi? Can I try half pi? It will be 5. Half pi, it will be 5. Yeah. So half pi, it will be 5. So I am sure that the line only cross one time. So the answer is one solution only. Okay, one solution. Is it okay, everyone? Can let me zoom out a little bit. Yes. Then part C. Part C, 3 marks and 3 marks only. Find the value of x that, okay. 3 marks. Let's do it. Sine 2x plus cos x equals to 0. Solve this one. 2 sine x cos x plus cos x equals to 0. Then I will factorize it. Take out the cos x. Then I have 2 sine x plus 1 equals to 0. Then you have two equations. Cos x equals to 0. And then sine x equals to negative half. So cos x equals to 0. I don't know how you memorize this one. Okay, so for me, I will just simply plot the graph. Then I will have 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So x equals to 90 and 270. And here, sine negative will be here, and the angle will be half. Half is 30 degrees. Okay, sine 0.5, not negative 0.5, is positive 0.5 to find the reference angle. So x equals to 180 or 210 and 330. So you have 4 answers. Okay, if you want me to explain or write in detail, please ask. Anyone? Teacher can explain how to draw graph with fraction b value. Can you give me a question? Can you give me a question? I have no question. I cannot. Okay. Let me try lah. Let me try lah. Are you okay with this question? Y equals to sine half x. Are you asking for this kind of question? Oh, cos 3 over. Okay. Yeah, I try. Similar to your questions, right? Okay. Can I satisfy? Okay. Okay. So let's start. I will draw y equals to sine x. that will be the, and the, it will be 360 degree. This one, the meaning half is I have only half cycle. Half cycle, 360, I only have half cycle. If I want to make one cycle, that will be 720. That will be half cycle. So I would need to times 2. So I will get this and this half cycle. So now, there is one shortcut, but I don't like to memorize this shortcut. So it will be half x equals to 360, and one cycle will be 720. This is the shortcut, which I don't like to memorize, but up to you. If you feel that it's, I like it, then do it. All right, no problem. For me, I don't like. So another question, like, okay, you want this question, y equals to cos 1.5x. 302 is 1.5x. Yeah, that's your question. So I will first plot y equals to cos x. So then I get the it's 360 degree. Now I have only 1.5. Okay, if within 360, I have 1.5. So 720, I will have 3 lah. So how to make 3? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so I will use 720 divided by 3. That will be 240. So one cycle will be 240 degree. So again, you can use the formula. A 1.5 cycle is, so one cycle is actually, 360. 360, 1.5 is, yes, 360 degree. So one cycle is 240 degree lah. One cycle is 200, like that lah. Are you okay with this? You can do any type of cycle, any type. Can ma? Or do you prefer another different way to do this question? No? You're okay with this? Good, Processing? Okay. How to plot the x-intercept? How to plot the x-intercept? How to plot the x-intercept? What do you mean by that? The cos 1. How to plot the x-intercept? Oh, okay, I understand what you mean already. Okay. All right. How to plot the x-intercept? Now, did you notice that when I draw cos, how did I draw? Look carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you notice or not? Whenever I draw sine or cos, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Why? Why is it so? Because if it is 240, I need to divide by 4. This is 60, 120, 180, and 240. This is how you divide. Because the question sometimes they say, plot y equals to cos 1.5x. But x is between 0 to 180 degree. Oh my God. Then I have to erase this one. No? Okay, erase this one. No? And erase this one. No? And this is, I plot 3/4 of the whole cos. Okay? Can everyone? Usually what time you all sleep? Okay, you can wake up so late. Okay, now the next one is the most difficult one. Okay, This is the tangent. What do you mean by sui la? Oh, sui la, sui la. Oh, you want to sleep already? Sui. Okay. Now, after this one, you can go and sleep. Okay, this one is tangent. Okay, I'll go slowly. Tangent, I go slowly. Now, horizontal line. It's 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. Okay, so this is how I remember the tangent graph, the asymptote, and here. Copy and paste it here. And copy and paste it here. And repeat and repeat. Okay, this is how I remember tangent. Okay. All right. So when the question asks for y equals to tangent x, yeah, this is what you draw. 90. Okay. Draw and draw, draw and draw. Okay, like this. And then if, now look carefully, if the question is y equals to tangent 2x, well, there's no two cycle. Huh? Okay, so what you need to do is you use the formula if you like to use the formula. Okay, the 2x is one cycle. So one cycle is 180. So you draw the same thing. You draw the same thing, but it is 180 degree. Okay, and divide by 2, this is 90. Divide by 2, this is 45. And this is 135. Okay, this one is very important. Okay, it might come out. Okay, if come out tangent is a bit dangerous. Okay, so for this question, okay, so here you can see what shape is this? Cari fungsi trigonometry. Now, let me show you how to find this one. First, I will draw this y equals to tangent x. But this is 2 pi. 2 pi, you have, the shape doesn't look like, I only have, there must involve a modulus. There must be a modulus here, which flip it up. So it must be y equals to tangent x and a modulus. Okay. This one is 300 or 2 pi. 2 pi. So, it seems that I have only this part and this part. It is half only. It is half only. So it should be y equals to tangent half x modulus. Okay. Now, tangent, the cycle thing is one problem. Another one is, okay, for sine, you know that 1 and -1. if I have y equals to 2 sine x, yeah, we can easily double it, no problem. But for tangent, we can't. If we have 2, it will be the same graph again. Okay, it will be the same graph. Okay, so it's just a little bit steeper, but you cannot see, right? So for this question, we don't know the value of a in front, except when they give you a point. Okay, except this. Everybody can understand, ma? Okay, so I will put in when x equals to 3 over 2 and the y is pi over 2. Pi over 2 equals to a tangent 3 over 4. Okay, let's press calculator. Okay, it is in radian, so we need to change it to mode radian. Pi. Okay, pi over 4, sorry, it's pi over 4. It's pi over 4. Okay, I put in x equals to pi over 2, so we get pi over 4. Pi over 4 is actually 45 degree. 45 degree. X equals to, is the other way around. I put wrongly. X equals to pi over 2. Y equals to 3 over 2. Pi over 4. Okay, so A equals to 3 over 2. Because tangent 45 is 1. Then I have the equation here, y equals to modulus, the 3 over 2 you can put outside or inside, no problem, it's the same. 3 over 2 you can put inside, half x. That one is the graph. That is the graph. Okay. This one you please try to understand this one thoroughly. It could be a question that you encounter. Okay? And okay, so B. Yeah, this is the answer. B, selesaikan persamaan ini. Okay, for today, I think I will finish up to this question and then we'll call it a day. Okay, so we'll continue this one again next day. All right, so whenever you have time. Three cos 2x equals to 8 sine x minus 5. Okay, cos 2x, you know that we have 3 different formula. Cos minus sine, one formula, which I won't use. 2 cos minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sine. So I will use the 1 minus 2 sine square x. This formula. Why? Because you have the sine x over here. Part B. Then 3 minus 6 sine square x equals to 8 sine x minus 5. Negative, bring over that 6 sine square x plus 8 sine x minus 8 equals to 0. Okay, 3 sine square x plus 4 sine x minus 4 equals to 0. 3 sine x, 2 and 2, positive, negative. Sine x is 2 over 3, sine x is negative 2. Sine x cannot be negative 2 leh. Sine x maximum is negative 1 and positive 1, so it's not possible. So sine x is positive 2 over 3. I'll put here. Calculator. Remember, just now I put in radian. Now I need to change it back. Always be careful. Shift sine 2 over 3. It is 41.81. Okay. And then over here is 41.81. X equals to 41.81 or 138.19 degrees. Okay. So this one is rejected. Okay. You can get the answer. Yeah. Okay. So that would be the questions that you will have to prepare for the exam. Okay, but we have one more question only, I think. One more only. Can we do one more? The last one? Okay. Then we will end the class. Okay. One last question. Now, here, this one is from where? Sabah. Okay. Oh, those from Sabah. Oh, we have seen this before. Okay. So, the question is this. Nyatakan nilai H and K. Y equals to cos x, I know lah. It's like this. 2 pi. But y equals to cos 3x leh. I have 3 cycles. So one cycle will be divided by 3 lah. Okay. So is it in radian? I would say it's easier if we count in degree. Okay. It will be easy to count in degree. But never mind. We have calculator. So the question asks for K. So you divide by 4. This is half. This K equals to 3/4 of 2 pi over 3. That is half pi. Half pi. Or if you press calculator, you will get the answer lah, in decimal. 4 significant or 3 decimal places. So this one is 5 over 3, which is the amplitude. This one is negative 5 over 3. So, yeah. Negative 5 over 3. H is negative 5 over 3. Amplitude, no problem. Okay. And then B. ABC adalah sudut pedalaman sebuah segitiga sudut tirus. Tunjukkan bahawa, okay, so it's 3 marks, so expect 9 steps. Alright, so A plus B plus C must be 180. So they want you to prove that tangent C equals to tangent 180 minus these 2 angles. So, of course, we can expand this one 9 steps. Tangent minus tangent over 1 plus tangent. Tangent 180, can you press calculator? Yes, it will be 0 over 1, because this one is 0. It's negative tangent A plus B. Don't worry, it's 9 steps, okay? We are able to finish it. Tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. That would be, okay, we need to keep looking at our here. So let's expand the negative, put it at the bottom. That will be tangent A plus tangent B over negative 1 and positive. So it will be tangent A and tangent B minus 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, 9 step, less than that. Yeah, it's less than that. Then the last one is, if tangent B equals to 3, if tangent B equals to 3 and tangent C is 2, check again. Tangent C is 2, tangent A, find the value of, okay. Let's move the whole thing over to here. Okay. If tangent B, so tangent C equals to tangent A plus tangent B, tangent A, tangent B minus 1. Okay, they give you tangent B equals to 3, so I just put in 3. Tangent C, I put in 2 tangent A. 2 tangent A equals to tangent A plus 3 over 3 tangent A minus 1. Okay, find the value of A. So it's just move it up. 6 tangent square A minus 2 tangent A. 6 tangent square A minus 3 tangent A minus 3 equals to 0, divided by 3, 2 tangent square A minus tangent A minus 1 equals to 0. Factorize. Tangent A minus 1 minus 1. No, it is positive 1. So tangent A equals to negative half. Tangent A equals to 1. You remember, we have this one, negative is here. Okay, shift tangent, 0.5, I use the positive, okay. And the angle start from the horizontal, okay, it's 26.57. Okay, so over here is positive, here and here it's 45 degree. So A equals to 153.43, and another one is 333.43. Okay, and over here is 45 and 225. Okay, like that. Okay. Settle the question. Find the value of A. Yeah. The A is, you have 4 answers. Okay, now let's check again. Here, one thing. The A they mention here, ABC adalah sudut pedalaman sebuah segitiga bersudut tirus that is less than 90 degree. So less than 90 degree, A, there's only one answer. Given A is less than 90 degree, so we have only one answer, 45 degree. Okay, yeah, you're right, Peter. Very good. Okay, everybody can? Okay, so that's all for trigonometry. So I believe you all can, yeah, you all can do it, right? Okay, so good luck. And tomorrow, if you still need, you let me know. Okay, we'll have another session or maybe just a short one. Okay, but morning we have, you look at the planner, huh? Okay, so thank you for coming. Bye bye. Okay, thank you. Good night. Bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, flash here. Bye bye.